Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Thousand Island dressing easy. Start by gathering mayo, ketchup, sweet pickle relish, vinegar, and optional spices so everything is ready. Combine ingredients in a bowl and taste as you go, adjusting sweetness, acidity, and texture with simple swaps. I'll share quick tips for making it thicker, lighter, or spicier, and explain how to store and use it for several meals. Begin by measuring out mayo, ketchup, and sweet pickle relish in a medium bowl to maintain balance. Whisk those primary ingredients until smooth, then add a splash of vinegar and mix again for brightness. Taste the mixture and tweak with hot sauce for heat, a pinch of sugar for sweetness, or a squeeze of lemon for lift. Keep adjusting in small amounts until the flavor is just right for your dish. Try variations to match different meals and moods, like adding chopped hard-boiled egg for a classic diner-style version. For heat, stir in sriracha or cayenne to elevate sandwiches and burgers with a punch. To make a lighter dressing, swap some mayo for Greek yogurt or buttermilk while keeping the signature sweet-tangy profile. I'll suggest pairing ideas and portion sizes so you can serve it right away or store it safely for later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.